everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I bring to you Fall Glam Farmhouse Tablescape hosted by the Glam Squad. Please go check out all the members' channels, and their links to their channel will be in the description below. They have amazing contents to share, so please head over and show your love and support. For my tablescape, I went with the color purple. So for my centerpiece, I used a lantern. I purchased that from Ross. Added some greeneries from outside and added some DIY pumpkins. I painted those pumpkins purple, then added the glitter so it can match with the stem of my wine glass. I DIY'd both wine glass. One is rose gold and the other one is a glitter purple. My silverware are also rose gold. For my tableware, I use all Dollar Tree items, the dinner plates, salad plates, as well as the bowl. The chargers are from Michael, had them for many years now, and they're purple. And also added some artificial greeneries as well, and those greeneries are from Walmart. For my placemat, I purchased those from Ross. The napkins as well as the runner, they're from Hobby Lobby at 90% off. The runner is actually 4 placemats I put together to create the runner. The beaded napkin holders are from Hobby Lobby. The rose gold silverware are from Walmart. And the rose gold candle holders are from Dollar Tree. And this concludes the tour of my Fall Glam Farmhouse Tablescape. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you're not already a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thanks again and stay blessed.